Welcome to the video about the commutative property. The commutative property is used in algebra and pre-algebra all the time. We're going to learn about several other types of properties. Today we're starting with commutative. Make sure you can say that before you go on any further than this part of the video. Okay, now that you've said commutative 3 to 100 times, let's go ahead and talk about what it really means. The commutative property states that A plus B is equal to B plus A. To remember the commutative property, we think about your commute to school and then your commute back home from school. So what I mean by that is you go from home to school, and then on your way back you have to go from school to home. Let's go ahead and try to prove the commutative property. So, if A plus B equals B plus A, then if I give a value to A, like 3, and I give a value to B, let's say 7, I know, according to the commutative property, that A plus B, or in this case, 3 plus 7, this should equal B, which I said was 7, plus 3, which was originally A. Now, to check this, we can solve both sides of our equation. 3 plus 7 is 10. Yep. 7 plus 3 is 10. We got it. This shows that the commutative property does work. Your next question is probably, does it just work with addition? And the answer is no. We can also use the commutative property in multiplication. So, that means that A times B is equal to B times A. Let's go ahead and plug in those same values and check this. First I said A was 3. I'll go ahead and stick with that. Times B, which is 7. Now I'm going to plug my same values in. So B is 7 and A is 3. Now let's check it on the other side. 3 times 7, 21. 7 times 3, 21. That's not 21. 21. These two are equal. So what you need to know from this video is that the commutative property states commutative property states that A plus B equals the reverse of that, B plus A. That is the addition example, and it also works with multiplication. A times B is equal to B times A.